Hi guys. So today we have an exponential equation and we have to find out primarily the value of x. So bringing down the question here. Okay. So let's crack it. All right. So well, this is the question. If you can just see it carefully. All of the numbers bear different kinds of powers. None of them are same. Yet we have to find out the value of x. X is sitting as power in most of them. In fact, all of them. So our first step would be to simplify. So we have 4 having a power of x, 3 having a power of x, since it also has a power of half, which means we have a root 3 below. Why below? Because there is a negative sign here before half. Half means a root. And if there is a minus sign there, it means that it has to be sitting in the denominator. In this case, we have a positive half. For this, 3 has a power of x. So 3 will be here, but it will have a square root for half, positive half. In this, we have 2 having a power of 2x as well as minus 1, which means 2 is 1 sitting down as well. Next, we have 4 having a power of x and 3 having a power of x here and root 3. So we don't have much to do over here. So let's see what we can do on the right hand side. Here too, it's wise to leave it the way it is. Yeah, this is the little bit of change we had to do here. Why so? Wait and watch, please. So 4 having a power of x, 3 having a power of x as well. Here 3 to the power x, root 3 dot, there's a multiplication over here. Here this becomes 4 having a power of x and 2 below. Now these two are similar. And these two also are similar. Okay, at least one term is similar. So we can pull this on the left hand side, whereas take this, okay, sitting with this. It will become positive because we are taking it, transposing it to the other side. Alright guys. So I hope it is clear so far. Now what do we do next? Very clear. We have to take these two as common. We have one from here and half from here. Alright. 3x can be taken as common and we have root 3 here and 1 by root 3 here. Understood? So let's copy this and we know that this is 3 by 2. How? 1 plus half is 1.5, and when we convert that to a improper fraction, it becomes 3 by 2. This side, we have to simplify this. Okay. So this has a denominator of 1. LCM of these two will be root 3 and 1. Okay, here in the denominator says that we need to multiply this with root 3 and plus 1. Alright guys. So far I hope it is clear. Now further simplification. Let's keep this the way it is. We have to focus first on this. So we have root 3 into root 3 is 3 and plus 1, and we have a root 3 sitting below. Correct? This means 4 having a power of x and 3 by 2, and 3 has a power of x, and here dot 4 by root 3. Alright? Now what do you think should be done next? To me, I feel 3x should be pulled to the left hand side. Correct? And since we are left with this, first keep this here and think about 3 by 2. So 2 will sit on the top, and 3 will be the denominator, isn't it? So we get over here 8 and root 3. So we have 3 root 3 here. We have the same power, so we can write like this. Alright? Now we have to do a little tweak here, so that we straighten this up in a manner that we reach up getting the value of x. For 8 we can write 2 to the power 3, isn't it? And let 3 root 3 be the way it is. Four by 3 having a power of x, and here 2 has a power of 3, but 3 has a power of 1, and this has a power of half. Root 3 has a power of half, isn't it? So 2 to the power of 3, and 3 has a power of 1 plus half. So we have 2 to the power of 3, and this 3 has a power of 3 by 2. 1 plus half is 3 by 2. Alright? Now we want to make the bases same, so that we are able to equate the powers, isn't it? So what we do is 4 by 3 to the power x, and this side we do a slight change. We retain 2 inside, and in this case we keep 3 here and add a power of 3 by 2 outside. Now, what does this signify? Because ultimately we needed a cube of 2. Since we kept 2 square here, that meant that we needed to put another 2 here as a denominator so that this and this gets cancelled and 3 should be there as it was earlier. Fortunately, we have 3 by 2 in the denominator which is applicable to it now, so without any distortion. So 3 already has a power of 3 by 2. Alright. Whereas 2 has found, if we cancel this 2, its own power. But so doing, what is the advantage that we get? The advantage is that we have got this equals to 4 upon 3 and we have a 3 by 2 outside. So 4 by 3 and 4 by 3 are same. So when bases are same, the powers can be compared or equated. Correct? Therefore, x equals to 3 by 2 and that is our answer. Alright guys, so it was a dense sum, okay, having a number of steps, and anywhere you go wrong you would not find your destination. Alright, so I hope you people have understood. In case there is any doubt, do write to me in the comment section. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and giving me your valuable time. Bye bye. Have a great day. Enjoy yourself.